What's up YouTube? In the previous video I left it as this. I said it's 0.152. We did our first step of x equals. Then we checked is everything after the decimal place recurring, and unfortunately our answer was no. 1 doesn't repeat. It goes 1, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, but that 1 stops us being able to solve it. In this video here we're going to learn how to solve questions, even ones as tricky as this one. What we need to do is we need to get everything after our decimal point to be exactly the same. The thing that's stopping that is this 1. So we need to move the 1 to the other side. We need to move it 1 space to the left. So 1 space to the left means 1, 0 here. So 10x equals 1.52 recurring. From here we're good to go, because now we need this to be 1, 2 numbers to the left. So we're going to times this by 1, 2. We're not doing 100x, because that would be timesing this by 100. Instead we're multiplying this by 100. So 10 times 100, 1,000. So 1,000x equals 152.52525252, etc. 1,000x take away 10x. 990x. 152 take away 1. 151. And now it's the same as normal. Divide both sides by 990. 151 over 990. One more example coming up now. Okay, 0.02333333. Our first step, always x equals. By now we know it's always x equals. We're checking, are the numbers after the decimal place the same? They're not yet, so we need to make them the same. We need to move this 1, 2 to the left. So 1, 2, 0 is 100x. So it's going to be that 0 over there and then 2. So 2.3 recurring. Now we check, is everything after the decimal place recurring? And it is. We need it 1 to the left, so we're timesing this by an extra 0. We're timesing this by 10. 1,000x equals 23.3 recurring. 1,000x take away 100x. 900x. 23 take away 2. 21. And these 3 recurrings cancel out. Divide both sides by 900. 21 over 900. Let's simplify it by dividing top and bottom by 3. 7 over 300, and there we have it. Nice and easy. We've turned x equals 0.023 recurring into 7 over 300. One final example now. Okay, our first step. We know our first step, x equals. Is everything after the decimal place recurring? No, it isn't. So we need to make sure it is recurring. We need to move it 1, 2 to the left. So 1, 2, 0, so 100x. It's going to be 14.51 recurring. Now, we need to see, does everything after our decimal place recur? It does, because it's 51515151. So we need to move this 1, 2 to the left. So timesing this by another 100. 100 times 100, 10,000x. 1451.51515151, etc. 10,000 take away 100 this time. This line take away this line. 10,000 take away 100 is going to be 9,900x. 1451 take away 14. 1437. 515151 take away 515 cancels out. And now to get x on its own, divide both sides by 9,900. Okay, at this stage here, these are really tricky questions. It does not get trickier than this question here. So if you're able to do it, you're able to do the topic. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.